Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the JavaScript. Today we are going to learn about the build a screen recorder web app with the JavaScript. So those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. So just go live. Then we will go with the start recording. First of all, let's access the go with the start recording, right? And then which screen, so the entire screen. Okay, so make it over here and then allow. So now you can see the recording has been started, and let's go with the face API first, then Google, then this one. Then we come back and stop recording and download the video. Okay, let's open the video. So here we go with the recording. Here you can see the recording part and this and that and then stop. Okay, so this is how the recorded video screen recorder works. Okay, and yeah, that's that. Let's dive into the code level how we have implemented this. Okay, so let's go and check this. So I think we have stop the sharing. Okay, and here we will let's go with the code level. So build a screen recorder web app with the JavaScript. So this is the basic CSS that we are trying to do. Okay, now we have this one video recorder, play inline, start recording, stop, and the downloads. Okay, so this is the same code that we have done in the last video. That is start record button, stop record, and download button, right? Now let me word wrap this. Okay, and then media recorder may recorded chunks. So start the recording with the help of event listener. When you click on that one, so it will navigator get a display media, video, audio, then source objective stream. Okay, so it allow which screen we want to share, right? So media recorder, new media recorder stream, handle data. So handle data, what it will do, it will just handle the recorded data and push into the recorded chunks. Okay, and yeah, then media recorder dot start, and on the behalf of it we will manage the buttons, which button to be enabled, which button to be disabled. Okay, then if something goes wrong, it will go with the error assessing the cam screen. Okay, stop recording with the help of a media recorder stop and handling the buttons. So start record button to be false, stop record to be true, and download to be false. Okay, then download the recorded video. So this is the code that what we are trying to do. We are going to create a new blob object with the recorded chunks, that's to be video webm. Then create a URL with the blob, and then create the element anchor tag. Okay, then we will use the you assign the URL to it, and then a dot downloads record screen, this is the name, and then append this into the body. Then perform the click action, then remove the anchor tag. Okay, and this is handle recorded data. This is how you are able to build a screen recorder web app with the JavaScript. Any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video, and don't forget to like, share and comment on my video. Have a nice day.